The alternator is responsible for charging the car's battery while the engine is running, and if it fails, your car might not start or could lose power while driving. Here are some simple steps how to test an alternator and check if it is working as it should. Before you test the alternator, it is helpful to know the signs of a bad alternator. Dim or flickering headlights often mean the alternator is not supplying enough consistent power. This causes the lights to weaken or blink while driving, especially at night or under load. Strange noises like grinding or whining during driving may indicate worn bearings or internal damage in the alternator. These sounds often occur as the alternator struggles to generate power while the engine runs. The battery warning light on the dashboard typically indicates a problem with the charging system, often caused by a failing alternator. To test an alternator, you just need a multimeter, a flashlight, and optional gloves for safety. Make sure the car has a charged battery and the engine is running. First, make sure your battery is in good condition. To do this, turn off the car and connect your multimeter to the battery terminals. Set the multimeter to measure DC voltage. You should see a reading of about 12.6 volts or above if the battery is healthy. Once you are checked the battery voltage, start the engine. With the engine running, take a second reading with the multimeter on the battery terminals. If the alternator is charging the battery properly, you should see a voltage reading between 13.7 to 14.7 volts. This indicates that the alternator is working and charging the battery. Next, check for any fluctuations in voltage. Keep an eye on the multimeter as you revolution the engine. The voltage should stay steady around 13.7 to 14.7 volts. If the voltage drops below 13 volts or fluctuates wildly, this could mean that the alternator is not charging the battery properly, and it might need to be replaced. While you are under the hood, listen for any unusual sounds coming from the alternator. A grinding or whining noise could indicate that the alternator bearings are damaged, which might require the alternator to be replaced. If you want to do a more thorough test, you can perform a load test. To do this, use the multimeter to check the voltage with the engine running. Then, turn on electrical components, like the headlights, and turn on the air conditioning or the radio. The voltage should stay above 13 volts. If it drops below 12 volts, the alternator might not be working properly. Testing an alternator is not too difficult and can save you from expensive repairs or breakdowns. By following these steps, you can check if your alternator is working properly.